Welcome to YouTube channel. Myself Dr. E. Kumraya, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sri Rajarajeshwara Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Today I am going to discuss about application of eigenvalues and eigenvectors to solve the system of ordinary differential equations. Today I am going to solve the system of linear differential equations which are non-homogeneous using fundamental matrix. Now let us take a problem, a system of differential equations. X dash equals to 8x minus 10y, y dash equals to 5x minus 7y, where the initial conditions are x of 0 equals to minus 1 and y of 0 equals to 3. Now this system can be put in the form of x dash y dash equals to 8 minus 10, 5 minus 7 xy, that is x dash is equals to ax. This is known as homogeneous system of differential equations, where A is equals to this matrix and x dash is this one and x is this one. The solution of this system is x. We have to find x value. That means x means small x and small y. X of t and y of t we have to find. That is the solution of this differential equation. To find the solution of this differential equation, we first evaluate eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A. The eigenvalues of A are given by the characteristic equation determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. This is the determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0, which gives lambda square minus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation, the roots of this equation are minus 2 comma plus 3. These are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. Now for each of the eigenvalue we have to find the eigenvectors. For lambda equals to minus 2, that means we have to solve A plus 2i into x equal to 0. By solving this system, we get the eigenvector for lambda equals to minus 2. Here the A is 8 minus 10, 5 minus 7. 8 minus 10, 5 minus 7. That's why 8 plus 2, 10 and minus 10, 5. Minus 5, minus 7 plus 2, minus 5. 8 plus 2, 10. Now solving this system, x, y equal to 0, 0 implies 10x minus 10y equal to 0 or 5x minus 5y equal to 0. That implies x is equals to y. Therefore, the eigenvector is x is equals to y, 1, 1. This is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to minus 2 or 2, 2, 3, 3. Any one we can take. The simplest form we can take, that is u equals to 1 comma 1. And another eigenvector for lambda equals to 3. For lambda equals to 3, a minus 3i into x becomes 8 minus 3, 5 minus 10, 5 minus 5 plus 10. This is plus 10 into x, y equal to 0 comma 0. This implies 5x minus 10y equal to 0. That implies x is equals to 2y. X is 2y, that's why it is 2 here, and y is independent, free variable. That's why the eigenvector is 2 comma 1. This is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 3. Therefore, the solution of the given homogeneous system is c1 e power minus 2x into v1, first vector, x1, y1, x, y1, 1, 1, and c2 e power 3 2 into second vector, eigenvector 2 comma 1. This is equals to, simplify this, adding these two vectors, c1 e power minus 2t plus 2 c2 e power 3t, c1 e power minus 2t plus c2 e power 3t. Now, this is the small x of t, this is the small y of t, this is x of t, this is y of t. Now apply the initial condition, x of 0, that means small x at 0 is minus 1, small y at 0 is 3, that's why it is minus 1 and minus 3 by putting x equals to t equal to 0. At t equals 0, e power 0 will be 0, e power 0 will be 0, 1, sorry, e power 0 is 1, e power 0 is 1, e power 0 is 1, e power 0 is 1. That's why it will become c1 plus 2c2, c1 plus c2. Now equating on both sides, we will get c1 plus 2c2 equals to minus 1, c1 plus c2 equals to 3. By solving these equations, by subtracting these two, we will get c2 equals to minus 4 and c1 equals to 7. Now substituting this c1 c2 in this equation, the solution we get x is equals to 7 e power minus t, c1 is 7, that's why it is 7 e power minus t, and c2 is minus 4, 2 into minus 4, minus 8 e power 3t, and 7 e power minus tt minus 4 e power 3t. This is the final solution of the homogeneous system by using eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Now we can take another type of problem, that is homogeneous problem, non-homogeneous problem, solving the non-homogeneous problem. Now let us take another example. X dash is equals to x dash y dash minus 3 minus 4 5 6 into x comma y plus g of t. This is in the form of x dash equals to ax. This is earlier case. Here extra some g of t vector will be added here. This is a vector, that is x dash equals to ax plus g dash t. This is non-homogeneous system. This is non-homogeneous system. Now to solve this non-homogeneous system, we have three different types of methods. One is fundamental matrix method, and variation of parameters method, and method of undetermined method. Now here I can solve this system by using the fundamental matrix method. Now first, before going to the this system consists a complementary solution for the homogeneous part and particular solution for the non-homogeneous part. First we have to find the fundamental complementary solution for the homogeneous part, that is x dash equals to ax. For x dash equals to ax, first we have to find the complementary solution. For that we have to evaluate eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A. The A is given by minus 3, minus 4, 5 and 6. Its characteristic equation is A minus lambda I equal to 0, which gives lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. This is the eigenvector. By solving this quadratic equation, we will get lambda equals to 1 comma 2. Therefore the eigenvalues of A are 1 comma 2. Now we can determine the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues. For lambda equals to 1, we solve a minus I into x equal to 0. A minus 1, this becomes minus 3 minus 1, minus 4, 5, 6 minus 1, this becomes 5 into x, y equal to 0, 0. This is nothing but minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0. 4 will be cancelled, x plus y equal to 0. That implies x is equals to minus y. That's why the eigenvector is 1 and minus 1 or minus 1 and 1. Like that, any form we can take. The eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 1 is 1 comma minus 1 or minus 1 comma 1. Any simplest form we can take 1 and minus 1. One of them is differ in the sign. Both are same in sense of magnitude. They are differ in the sign itself, but their magnitude will be same. 1 and minus 1 or 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, like that. Any form we can take. This is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 1. Similarly, to find the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 2, we solve a minus 2i into x. A minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, this is minus 4, this is 5, and 6 minus 2 becomes, it is 4 into x, y equal to 0 and 0. Now solve this system. What we will get? 5x plus 4y equal to 0. That implies x is equals to or y is equals to minus 5 by 4x. Y is equals to minus 5 by 4x. Therefore, x is independent, that is x, y is minus 5 by 4x. If you take x is equals to 4, it will become 4 comma minus 5. We avoid fractions. For that, we can choose the independent free variable x as 4. Then it will become 4 comma minus 5. X is, first vector is x, second vector is minus 5x by 4. If we can take minus 5 by x, 5 by 4 into x. If we can take x is 4, it will become minus 5. And x is 4, first component is 4. Like that, we can find the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 2. It is given by 4 comma minus 5. Now the solution to the system is homogeneous part. Complementary solution is given by xc equals to c1 e power t 1 comma minus 1 plus c2 e power t 4 comma minus 5. That is equals to c1 e power t minus e power t plus c2 e power 4 e power 2t multiplied inside 4 e power 2t minus 5 e power 2t. This is equals to xc into c1 u of t plus c2 v of t. First, this is u of t, this is v of t. Now, the fundamental matrix of the system is defined as, that is psi of t equals to u of t v of t. U of t is nothing but e of e power t minus e power t. V of t is nothing but 4 e power 2t minus 5 e power 2t. That's why this matrix is called fundamental matrix of the given system. Now, the solution of this system by using fundamental matrix method, not this variation of parameters. The particular solution is given by, this is not, we are not discussing variation of parameters. Given by, the particular solution is given by xp is equals to psi of t into, xp equals to psi of t into integration of psi dash t g of t dt. G of t is the right hand term, side term, non-zero term. 5 6 e power t, 5 6 into e power t, that is g of t, where psi inverse of t is equals to psi of t is t e power t minus e power t. This is the psi of t, its inverse 1 by ad minus bc. 1 by ad minus bc is a into d, that is minus 5 e power 3t minus 5, this one into this one, plus 4, minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, e power 1 by e power 3t will becomes e power minus 3t into a d, this is d, this is a, will be changed, and signs of minus b minus c, that is minus 4 e power t plus e power t. This is the inverse of the matrix 1 by ad minus bc into d minus b minus c a. This is by using the inverse of the matrix. Psi of t inverse is this one. Now after that, psi inverse of t into g of t is equals to, psi inverse of t is minus e power minus 3 into g of t is minus 5 e power 2t, e power t minus 4 e power 2t, e power t 5 e power t minus 6 e power t. G of t is 5 e power t minus 6 e power t. In the problem itself it is given. Now multiplying these two, minus 3 e power minus 3t into minus 5 into plus 5, minus 25, minus 4 into 6 plus 24, minus 25 plus 24, it will become minus 1. This is minus 1, I am sorry, this is not minus 3, it is minus 1. Minus 1 e power 3t, 2t into e power t, it is 3t. And second one, e power t into e power t, e power 2t, 5 e power 2t minus 6 e power 2t. This is also minus 1, not 2, this is also minus 1. Therefore it is equals to minus e power minus 3t minus e power 3t minus e power minus will get plus, and e power minus 3t into e power t, it is 1, that's why it is simply 1, and e power minus 3t into e power 2t, that's why e power minus t will be left. That's why psi of t inverse into g of t equals to 1 comma 1 e power minus tt. Now xp equals to, particular solution equals to psi of t into integration of psi dash t g of t dt. Now by integrating, this is the psi inverse of t g of t, its integration is given by 1 dt is t e power minus t, integration is minus e power minus t, that is given by e power t 4 e power 2t minus t minus 5 e power 2t, and one integration is t, and e power minus t integration is minus e power minus t. Now multiplying these two, 1 into e power t and 4 into e power 2t into minus t, it is also e power t, that's why minus 4, t minus 4 e power t, and minus t into e power t, e power 2t into 2, again e power t, the e power 2t into e power minus t, it is e power t, and minus t and plus 5, and 5 minus t e power t. That's why the particular solution is t minus 4 e power t, 5 minus t e power t. Now the solution is given by x is equals to c1 into e power t minus e power t plus c2 4 e power 2t minus 5 e power 2t plus t minus 4 e power t 5 minus t e power t. Now the initial condition is given by x of 0 is equals to 19 and minus 23, and put t equals to 0 in the above equation. We will have t equals 0, e power 0 will become 1. That's why everything will become 1. There is no e power t terms, all are become 1 1 1, and simply t put t equals 0, then it will become c1 plus 4c2 minus c1 plus 4c2 minus c1 minus 5c2, this one and this one, and this term will become, t will be 0 minus 4 and t will be 0 plus 5, minus 4 and 5, and minus 4 coming to left hand side, it will be 23. C1 plus 4C2 is 23, and 5 coming to left hand side will become minus 28. That's why minus C1 minus 5C2 equals to minus 28. By solving these two, simply we are adding these two, C1 will be cancelled, and minus 5C2 equals to minus 5. That's why C2 equals to 5. Then substitute C2 equals to 5, then C1 becomes 3. And substitute this C1 equals to 3 and C2 equals to 5 in the given equation. Here C1 is 3, C2 is 5. Then we will have the solution is x is equals to t minus 1 e power t, 20 e power 2t, 2 minus t e power t, minus 25 e power 2t. This is the solution of the given non-homogeneous system using fundamental matrix method. In the earlier class we already discussed the variation of parameters method. Today we discussed about the method fundamental matrix method, and the next class we are going to discuss the method of undetermined coefficient to solve the non-homogeneous system of equations. Thank you one and all.